And we've had a couple CVs come in. I wonder if it's some kind of CV event. I'm not 100% sure, but Cap's making his turn to approach the dock. Doesn't like it. Brake checks out. Kind of loses the back end a little bit. My man's throttle happy as all get out here. Reversing heavy. And I was waiting for the jerky transition, but he actually kind of nails it. I was waiting to see if the lady in the bow of the boat was going to get kind of tossed, but Cap's coming in a little hot toward the dock as well, man. Just having a happy throttle hand today. But the guy in the orange shirt came in the CV in front of him. I'm assuming he's going to get the assist, so we're not going to probably see too much crazy here, but definitely heavy with the throttle. Up, brake check. We kind of nudge the dock a little bit. My man's got lines on the dock. Cap, just put it in neutral. What are you doing? And there we go. He gets it down. But welcome back, guys, to the greatest show on earth, and that is the Miami Boat Ramps channel. I'm your host, Broncos Guru, in collaboration with our boy Wavy Boats, and it's another Wavy Guru Productions back at the ramp, and today we are visiting Black Point. This crew was struggling loading the boat, so I'm curious to see if that's going to affect the pullout. And of course it is. They were having a tough time getting this bow down on the front, which means the weight's off a little bit. My man's going to try gunning the throttle. That's not going to work. And probably going to have to get the boys in the back of this. And we get the death stare. He just looked over to see if the camera was on him and realized it was. Oh, man. And now the pressure's amplified because he knows he's being filmed. So the boys are talking it out here. Looks like they're trying to come up with a game plan. And it looks like we are getting possibly keys or a lanyard tossed over, so I guess we're going to go for the power out. I figured they would have tried to put the boys in the back of the truck first to see if that worked, but still some debate going on. But no, my man's heading to the boat. We're going to try and whiskey throttle her out. Guessing we're about to have the rooster tail flying. Our guy's going to try this one. Interesting approach. I don't see the truck backing up. Typically when I see this, you would want to get a little bit of a running start. You know, back it up a little bit. Let the boat get a little more traction in the water. I got the feeling our crew's going to try it from right here. Yeah, he's telling him to go forward. And they were sliding backwards there. That was going the wrong direction when he hit the gas the last time. And here we go. Now we'll back up a little bit. I mean, they're going to, doing this, take a little weight off the trailer, then really use the horsepower of that boat to get this further forward. It's just going to add more weight to the truck as well because that bow's going to push that rear end of the truck down with the power also. Running start. And got her that time. And this is the problem with trying to keep water toys on the boat, especially if you got a small boat like this. They just get in the way when you're trying to work around. But it's still not as bad as like when I see the guys with the big mats on the side of the boat, and then they're trying to dock on that same side where the mat is. That one always blows my mind, but yep, wave to the camera, guys. Hopefully you don't hit the dock now. So Cap's making approach. Slow roll approach is not a bad plan here. Got a pretty decent angle actually as well. And we're going to get a twofer in the shot. It's weird, the boat in the background, I don't see anybody grabbing for the dock or anything yet. They look like they should be close enough for somebody to get a hold of it. Here we go, our guy in the bow, wrapping a line around. But I think, is Cap in reverse? Because the stern's swinging out, there's a boat behind him, they gotta watch out for that. Cap quickly realizes it, brake checks that reverse. Now he's just gotta bring the stern back around. But we're just kind of holding steady. The guy on the stern just looks confused, like, bro, what are you doing? Yep, you're gonna have to give her, there we go, give her a little throttle, bring her back around, and we should be able to get her put up from here. You can kind of tell from this shot, you see our tree in front of us, the wind is pushing today, left to right across the screen, and you can see the water's moving that way as well, so got a little bit of current pushing today, making some challenges for some of these captains. Kind of like our crew here, he's kind of coming in at a little bit of a funky angle, he's trying to correct right now. The wind and current should grab them and push them into the dock, but they're kind of just holding. Trying to steer the bow in to get his man off the front. Just goes for the blind open toss. You can't do that. That's not going to catch anything, bro. The pole's not going to grab the line for you. Oh, no, don't do this. Bad move, bro. Get back on the boat or get on the dock. And he finally takes the step over. And Cap's left the helm, and he's going to come over here and try and grab as well. And we'll get both of them on the dock, but now we just need some lines. And there we go. They'll get it pulled over. But I thought for sure my man was going for a swim here. When he had 1 foot on the dock, 1 on the boat, that's never... typically doesn't work out well. And Cap's coming back toward the dock. Looks like he's going to try and attack it into the wind and current. 2 people on the ready, though. Should be no issues for this crew. They should be good to go. First guy grabs the dock, does the push. Oh, Cap reverses into it. We're going to get the light hit. But they're good to go, and they should be set to get out of here. And speaking of getting out of here, we're going to get out of here as well. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed this episode of Miami Boat Ramps. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at Haulover Inlet. My channel, Broncos Guru, do some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we've got Boats vs. Haulover, where Man and Machine take on Mother Nature down at Haulover Inlet. And if you haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.